Hey guys, quick video. This is our 2019 Keystone, Montana. We have these pretty awesome little pop-up electrical outlets that go down. I already loosened this one up, so it's not going to play. They lock down like that, completely out of the way of the shelf. And you just pop them back up. I already unscrewed this one because I was hoping I could get to the cable. But anyhow, this outlet went out. There's a little light that's on there when you pop this up. And so I just wanted to show you the quick fix for this. It's not too terribly difficult, although there is no good access down to where this is plugged into an outlet. So what I have to do is on the side panel here, and I'm just using my pocket knife gently to pry this out. It's just got these little nails, and then just slide it down and just carefully pry this out. I'll come back in a sec and show you what this looks like. All right, so I've pried this side panel off. Didn't really damage it at all. And I'll just have to tap it back in with these nails. So, of course, my camera light went off. All right, so I grabbed my headlamp so you can see in here. You can see the bottom of that. And you can see there's an outlet down there. And that's where this thing is plugged in. So all you need to do is unplug it, pull it out, order a new one, and then reverse the process to put it back in. So anyhow, that's about it. Not too exciting, but just thought I'd share. Take care. Thank you.